Hello friends, welcome to another informative video tutorial. Today we will learn to find the older emails in your Office 365 mailbox, where the number of emails has grown much. In Office 365, the emails or messages are often arranged and grouped by date in the mailbox folder. However, when messages get older, they are automatically grouped in the older group by Office 365. So it becomes difficult for users to find older messages, especially that are older than 3 months. But finding older messages in the Outlook app is very simple. Open Outlook and click the Folder tab. Then click New Search Folder. Go to the Organizing Mail category and choose Old Mail. The default period to search the emails is 1 week, but you can click the Choose button to select the period. Then click OK after the search. A new folder will appear in the mailbox with the emails of the specified period. And sometimes users may need to back up their older emails from Office 365. If you want to back up the older emails of multiple accounts, then Kernel Office 365 Backup tool may be your answer. You can open the software and click the Backup option. Then click the Add button to add the Office 365 account. Provide the credentials of Office 365 Administrator account, and then choose the second option for multiple accounts. Then click Get User Mailboxes. Choose your desired accounts whose older emails you want, and click the Add button. After you have selected the accounts, click Set Filter and Migrate button. That will open another window. Here, select the Mailbox, Archive Mailbox, or Public folder. Then click Migrate. The filter page is crucial because you need to apply the Date filter to select the older emails. You can also use other filters, and click I am OK, Start Migration. Then choose the desired output format and click OK. Choose the destination folder to save the emails and click OK. The tool will work fast and save all the emails of the date range. Click OK on the appearance of the success message. Also, you can save the report to a CSV file. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to our channel to get more such videos. You can also visit the website to know more about the software.